Every now and then, if you find your Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds touch control panel stops or not working, not responding when you tap on it, it got disabled, or maybe really slow or laggy to respond, well, in this video, we'll try to fix this touch sensor not working problem. First of all, by trial and error, make sure you have found the most effective tapping zone on both of your earbuds. Now, if it randomly stops working, or maybe laggy or slow, make sure to install Sony Headphones Connect app either on App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using. Open the app. Now make sure the Bluetooth connection between both the left and right buds and the device is paired to is not disrupted by any chance. If that's so, start with put both the buds inside the charging case, close the lid, wait for 5 seconds, and then open the lid and try again. If your bud is connected and got enough charge and all, but it's still not responding, from this app, go to Sound tab and first make sure Speak to Chat option is turned off. Next, go to System tab and under Change the Touch Sensor function, here make sure none of the buds functions are not accidentally changed into not assigned. If that's so, tap on this full icon. Now, even if it's not your issue and both the buds is assigned to some functions, reset all the functions by tapping on this Reset tab for both left and right buds. And then press Done. Your buds are back in business. After that, your buds touch control should work just fine. If it still acts up, come back to the same section, scroll down and tap on Initialize settings. And then just go ahead and reset your headphones by tapping on this Initialize headphones to default option. These are all the functions that will go back to default. Tap on Initialize and then press OK. After the reset, just repair it with the device of your choice. And if there is no serious hardware issue with any of your buds, your touch control will work just fine. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.